10 Dream Places Everyone Should Visit Once. Some places stay with you forever. Not because of what you see, but because of how they make you feel. These are destinations that feel larger than life, places that inspire dreams, spark curiosity, and remind us how incredible our world truly is. Today, we're counting down 10 dream places everyone should visit at least once in their lifetime. Let's begin. Number 10. Prague, Czech Republic. Prague feels like a real-life fairy tale. Cobblestone streets, Gothic spires, and a storybook-old town make it one of Europe's most magical cities. Whether it's sunrise over Charles Bridge or warm lights at night, Prague feels timeless. Number 9. Machu Picchu, Peru. Hidden high in the Andes, Machu Picchu feels mysterious and powerful. Surrounded by clouds and mountains, this ancient Incan city is one of the most awe-inspiring places on Earth. The journey to reach it is just as unforgettable as the destination itself. Number 8. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Bora Bora is the definition of paradise. Turquoise lagoons, overwater bungalows, and volcanic peaks create a dreamlike escape. It's a place where time slows down, perfect for romance, relaxation, and pure beauty. Number 7. Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto is elegance and tradition. From cherry blossom-lined streets to ancient temples and peaceful gardens, it offers a glimpse into Japan's soul. Every season transforms Kyoto into something completely new and breathtaking. Number 6. Santorini, Greece. Santorini is instantly recognizable. Whitewashed buildings, blue domes, and dramatic sunsets over the Aegean Sea create one of the world's most iconic views. It's romance, beauty, and history combined. Number 5. Banff National Park, Canada. Banff looks like a painting brought to life. Turquoise lakes, towering peaks, and untouched wilderness make it a dream destination for nature lovers. It's breathtaking in every season. Number 4. Paris, France. Paris isn't just a city, it's an experience. From iconic landmarks to charming cafes and moonlit riverwalks, Paris captures hearts like no other place. It's a destination that defines romance and culture. Number 3. Iceland. Iceland feels like another planet. Volcanoes, glaciers, waterfalls, and black sand beaches create dramatic landscapes you won't find anywhere else. Seeing the northern lights here is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Number 2. Great Wall of China. Stretching across mountains and valleys, the Great Wall is one of humanity's greatest achievements. Walking along its ancient stones connects you to centuries of history. It's powerful, humbling, and unforgettable. Number 1. The Maldives. Taking the top spot is the Maldives. Crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and peaceful overwater villas make it the ultimate dream destination. It's a place where the world fades away, and beauty takes over. The world is full of dream destinations, places that inspire, transform, and stay with us forever. You don't have to visit them all. but visiting even one can change how you see the world. Comment below. Which dream place is at the top of your list? Or tell us a destination that changed your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel inspiration.